Guys, I just wanted to do a really quick video showing you how to change your background on your project and also how to insert a picture in your background on your project. Okay, so you can do both things. So first you're going to do is go to our class, make sure that you're in 6 weeks, make sure you're in 6 weeks, and then you're going to go to your project and open it up. Okay, so here we are. We're going to go to open. Okay, so here on this slide, you see I have given you 10 slides, 10 blank slides. And then on this very first slide right here, it says choose a background for your project, and you can go to any one of these sites to find a background. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Slides Go. I like that one the best. So I'm gonna go and see what template I like or what I can find. All right, so you want to make sure you get a free template. The premium templates actually cost money, so we want to stay away from those. Let's see. What do we like? I kind of like that one. Maybe I want to go with style. I want to go with the creative style. But that one's premium. I actually like that one, but I'm not going to go with that one because that one is not free. So I want to find the one that I like. I already used that one. You recognize it? Okay. Let's see. You might have to search a little bit. You might have to search and see until you get one that you actually like. Oh, I kind of like that one. It's like a comic. Oh, I kind of like that one too. So I'm going to go with this one. I kind of like this one. So you're going to click on the one that you like. Okay. And then you're going to go to download this template and you're going to select Google Slides. Okay. It's going to force you to make a copy. You're going to go ahead and open that up. That is so cute. Okay. So now here are my slides. Now these are all the same theme. So you notice that they don't look the same. Everyone is pretty much different, but they have the same color scheme, they have the same designs. That's what I mean when I say the same theme. So I'm going to take 10 of these because I know I need to have at least 10 for my project. So if you notice when I click on it, it has like an orange highlight on it. Same like you see it's the orange highlight. So you're going to click on the first one. You're going to hold down the control button. That's the CTRL button. You're going to hold it down and you're going to click 10 of them. Okay? So let it go so you can scroll down to the next. Hold it down again, the control button, and then click 6, 7, 8, 9. And I clicked too many. So I'm going to unclick a couple of these. Okay? My computer's tripping a little bit because I really only need 10 of the slides. Okay. Okay. Got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you get your 10, why is this tripping? It's because my computer's going so slow. Try one more time. 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, got them all. I'm going to right click to make sure that they're still highlighted and hit click copy. All right, then you're going to go over to your project, right? So you see I have these here. This one is highlighted. I'm going to make sure I see this orange line. Make sure you see the orange line and you're going to right click and then hit paste. Then you're going to select keep original styles. Keep original styles. I don't know why my computer is going slow. If you don't click original styles, it's going to make the color scheme change and you might not like that. Okay, so once you're here, you can just kind of delete anything you don't want. So say I'm like, oh, that's kind of ugly. I don't want that green thing over there. right? If you don't want to all of this, just highlight it all, hit Control A, and then just hit delete. Now, when you come down here, these are a lot of little boxes. Here's a trick. Highlight it all. Just all you have to do to highlight it all is just click it. So just highlight all of those, hit delete, and they will get rid of all of them for you. Okay. Now, if you get this slide and you're like, but I don't like that stuff on there, you can always right click. You can go to apply layout and you can choose a different one. Okay. If you don't want that kind, you can choose that one. All right, now say you get on here and you're like, this is cute in the background, but I want it to be a different color for this, or I want to do a picture in the background. You can go to click it, you can go to slide, change background, and now you can go to choose image. You can do Google image search, say you want to do a food background. You can open that up and find something that you find a picture of the food that you like. I would go with this one, and then you can insert it. Boom, now I have a picture in the back of my background. But if I don't like it, say I put it on there and I'm like, oh, Ms. Brennan, I messed up, I don't like it, hit Control Z, and it disappears. Okay? So y'all, that's how you do it. That's how you do and then, oh, don't forget to delete these extra slides that you have. So all of the white ones that you didn't use, go ahead and delete them. Okay? And they come with a certain template. If you don't like it, just go change it. You can change it to Slacky. You can change it to Comic Sans. However, whatever font that you want, you can always change it. Okay? And if you have imported this over and you didn't like it, just hit Control Z and then find another one. So that's how you do it. All right. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. I hope this helps. Bye.